So coming back to Pakistan, I would say that Karachi is really safe. So a lot of tourists can come to Karachi, and it's really easy city. It's really big, but you can take a ride from Kareem or Uber. You can go everywhere. So that is your personal transport.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my Pakistan video series. My name is Abdul, and right now you might think that I am somewhere in Dubai, but no guys, this is Karachi. You can see in the background that is Creek Vista Apartments in DHA. In this video I am going to show you top 10 places in Karachi, which will include historical places, cultural places, and also some very modern places in Karachi. So without wasting time, let's go and explore these beautiful places in Karachi. Whether you are from Pakistan or outside Pakistan, when you are in this city, you should definitely give a try to these 10 places. So let's go and explore.
Best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
So guys, this is the chairlift in Aladin Park, and you can see the views of the park from this chairlift, and also you can see the surrounding areas. So this is one of the main activities here at Aladin Park, and it costs 200 rupees per person. Welcome to Aladin Amusement Park, and this park is one of the very famous picnic spots for families. The entry fees is 50 rupees right now for all, like for adults and for kids. And inside there are many rides, like the adventure rides, the jump and the tiger ride, and all other rides, like the one which is called Ferris Wheel. And they also have chairlift, which you can see in the background. That's one of the very popular ride here.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stayed too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay all night. I can see you are different too. Love me like
So guys, I'm inside the Empress Market and roaming around. It is very famous in Karachi for quite a long time, and it is famous for dry fruits and vegetables and other fruits. You can see there are shops all over there, and I have seen many foreign people are also visiting this market because it is traditional one. यार एम्प्रेस मार्केट जो है अभी थोड़ी सी मतलब रश इसमें बढ़ गया है, बाहर से भी अच्छा इसका नज़ारा है। अभी इसके अंदर बस घूम रहे हैं और ड्राई फ्रूट्स के हवाले से काफ़ी मशहूर है। चाइनीज़ टूरिस्ट हमने देखे हैं कि इसको विज़िट कर रहे हैं, तो बाकी है कि दुकानदार काफ़ी खुश है और बड़ी बड़ी दुकानें हैं यहाँ पे ड्राई फ्रूट्स के हवाले से, फ्रूट्स के हवाले से या वेजिटेबल्स वगैरह। Guys, this is LuckyOne shopping mall in Karachi. It is located in Gulshan Iqbal. They have a very huge food court area. They also have all the brands in the Hyperstar supermarket on ground floor. You will find most of the brands in LuckyOne Mall, and they have a very nice indoor theme park. You will find all the middle class and even lower class people of Karachi inside this mall. This is very crowded, especially on weekends, but it's a good place to go and spend some time. So guys, the third most important place to visit in Karachi is this prayer hall. You can see that is a very historical building in Karachi. The importance and significance of this building is that it was built by the British in 1865. So this is 150 years old and you cannot miss it when you are in Karachi. This is located in Sadr area and very easy to access by public transport, or you can just walk over here. There is no fees. This is a public park. You can enter from all the gates, and inside the building there is actually a very nice art gallery. You will find the Pakistani art there, which is also again free. You can enter there as well. And on the ground floor there is actually a library, a public library. You can visit that. And this was originally built actually for the town hall of Karachi. I mean that it was the town hall of Karachi, but now it is just an exhibition center. Like the art gallery is there and you can go there as well. So this should be the top 3 places for you in Karachi to visit.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right and away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa.
So guys, this is Seaview, the main point in Karachi, which is accessible to everyone. This is located near DHA, and this is the very common beach that everybody comes here for picnic with their friends. You can have a horse ride here and also a camel ride here. There are small open cars that you can actually ride on just for 100 rupees. These horses and these camel rides are also just for 100 rupees. So this place is very affordable, very easy to get into, and there are always people. Whether you come on weekdays or weekends, you will find so many people. This is not the cleanest place in Karachi, but still you can have a look at this if you want to meet local people.
Yeah, I need it. Once you pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you let me take pieces. Yeah, I need it. Once you pandemonium.
Guys, you can really have fun here if you want to meet local people and want to see the local life here. That's the place, the Seaview.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time?
So guys, I am in front of Dolmen Mall. This is the most beautiful and elite shopping mall in Karachi. You can see right there. You won't believe that this is in Karachi. They have like a very huge food court area, and all the people come to this mall, especially the elite people. And if you want to see actually the glamour and fashion of Karachi, then you must come to this mall in Clifton called Dolmen Mall. Actually, they have a very huge food court area. They have all the brands inside this mall. You can see there's lightings and all the things right there. This is the #1 shopping mall in Karachi. You must visit because of the fashion, the colors, and the beauty inside.
I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah.
So guys, Bahria town is a city within city. It is 40 kilometers away from Karachi, but they have all facilities. It is a world-class city. Recently they have built an adventure park called Bahria Adventure Land. So if you have time, then just go to Bahria town.
But I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. But what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama.
So guys, I am inside PF Museum, which means Pakistan Air Force Museum, and this should be in the top 3 of your destinations in Karachi to visit. And this is also a family place. Family place means that you have to bring a female with you in order to be called a family. The entry fees is just 60 rupees, which is like 40 cents. And there are many things you can find actually in this park. You will find many samples of small and big aircrafts of Pakistan Air Force, and this is a very well maintained park in Karachi. Like from day one, this is clean, this is beautiful, this is huge, and there are so many activities to be done at this park. So guys, I'm inside Mohata Palace in Karachi. You can see right there, it is a very beautiful and very easily accessible from anywhere in Karachi. The entry fees is just 30 rupees, which is 20 US dollar cents. And if you just put the name of this Mohata Palace in Google Map, you will easily reach here from anywhere in Karachi. That's why it is on the top of my list of must visit places in Karachi. This was built in 1927, exactly 92 years before, by a Hindu businessman who came from Rajasthan, and they brought basically the pink stones from Rajasthan and the yellow stones from Karachi to build this nice beautiful palace here. This was basically his residence for summer, and after the partition of Pakistan and India, he went to India, Rajasthan. So this palace is now basically owned by Sindh government. So inside the palace there's a museum as well. On the ground floor you will see Sindhi culture, Sindhi civilization, the Makli village and all that stuff. And on the top floor there is a portrait and also artist work and paintings by an Englishman called Batman. He lived here for his entire life. So this is very beautiful place, man. You must visit this place if you are in Karachi. And you can see the architecture, just spectacular and beautiful, and located in the central business district of Karachi, Clifton. So guys, this is Quaid Azam Mazar or Jannah Mazar here in Karachi, one of the best places to visit. This is basically the shrine of Quaid Azam, the founder of Pakistan. There is inside the tomb of Quaid Azam, you can go there. This is also a very huge park for public. Many people, especially the local people of Karachi, come here on a daily basis for picnic and with their families. And you can also find a museum right there just alongside this tomb of Quaid Azam. And the museum you can actually find all the stuff used by Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah in his lifetime. And this place should be on the top of the list. I mean, the #1 place to visit in Karachi, because this is a historical and cultural place. And you can also find so many locals here. You can talk to them, and basically this is a very huge area. I mean, you can go around for like hours and hours. Entry ticket to this park is just 30 rupees, which is 20 cents. And many foreign dignitaries and foreign guests also visit this place just to give a tribute to the founder of Pakistan. So this should be on the top of the list here in Karachi. Guys, while making video in Karachi, I met Khreya and Ismail, who came from Netherlands to Pakistan. They are visiting Karachi, and I will be asking him a few questions about Pakistan, how they found Pakistan, and what they faced here.
So my name is Ismail. I was born in Karachi, Pakistan, but I've been living in Netherlands. So coming back to Pakistan, I would say that Karachi is really safe. So a lot of tourists can come to Karachi. And it's really easy city. It's really big, but you can take a ride from Kareem or Uber. You can go everywhere. So that is your personal transport, right? And you have a lot of places to see in Karachi. You have parks, you have museums, you have church, St. Cathedral, Empress Market, you have tomb of Quaid Azam, and beach also. So it's really nice. I would say everybody should come here.
What I like the most is you have all different kinds of food. So you can get street food, but you have so many different kinds of cuisines and restaurants, which I really like. I also like Pakistani clothing. It's very colorful. So at home I don't wear these kind of clothes, but it's really nice to go shopping. And you have also really big shopping malls, which is fun to walk around and just spend your day there. So I think the strength of Pakistan is actually the people. They're really friendly, and you have so many different options. It's really a country with full of opportunity. I really like that about Pakistan.